Good afternoon, friends. Myself, Rupesh Surana. Today, I decided to discuss the topic logistics versus supply chain. Many of the people don't know the exact difference between logistics and supply chain. So today, I decided to explain this topic in detail. So now we'll start with definition. First of all, we'll see the definition of logistics. Logistics focuses on the transportation, storage, and management of goods within the supply chain. If you see, this definition is clearly indicating that logistic is one of the section of supply chain which is taking care of transportation, storage of goods, and management of goods within the supply chain. Okay, now we'll see the definition of supply chain. Uh, in- Interconnected network linking suppliers, manufacturer, and retailers to streamline the product delivery. The definition of supply chain clearly indicating that it's a coordinating department which is coordinating with the suppliers, manufacturers, and retailers to streamline the product delivery and increase the sale of the product by streamlining all the aspects and reduce the product cost. Now we'll see the goal of logistics: ensure timely and cost effective delivery of the goods. If logistic is the separate department which is dealing with transportation, storage, and management of goods, they can ensure the timely delivery of material and cost effective delivery of the material by proper negotiations with transporters and proper delivery scheduling. They can achieve these goals. And now we'll see the goals of supply chain: optimize product and information flow to deliver value to customer and stakeholders. The supply chain, the role of supply chain is very crucial because supply chain is coordinating with all the suppliers, manufacturers, and retailers. Okay, due to this coordination, what will happen? They will optimize the product and information flow so that the product value will be increased within the customers and they will get a market value as well as brand value. Now we'll see the scope of logistics. Primarily handles transportation, warehousing, and distribution aspects of goods movement. If you see the logistic here, the way they have mentioned, mainly what is happening, the supply chain is doing the procurement. Then they are coordinating with production planning, and also they are coordinating with the manufacturers, and ultimately the product is coming to the warehouses, and after that the logistic role will start. And logistic will ensure the transportation, warehousing, and distribution aspects of goods movement. Means if we consider the warehousing, what is the warehousing? Suppose if we consider the pharmaceutical products, in the warehouses they should maintain some environmental conditions, and also they should ensure the timely deliveries to the distributors. So the overall logistic should achieve these all the aspects with proper planning. Now we'll see the scope of supply chain. Covers entire product life cycle from procurement to final delivery. As we seen in previous section, means supply chain is one of the major department, and there are many subsections in the supply chain like procurement, production planning, and then logistic. So in short, the supply chain is dealing with the entire life cycle of the product, and due to this proper planning, we companies or organizations are achieving their financial goals, because if we are doing a proper planning, and supply chain is playing the crucial role in the proper planning and achieving the organizational goal. Now we'll see the objective of logistics: deliver goods efficiently to meet market demand, It is a very very important aspect of logistics, because if the product is established in the market, so it's an organizational responsibility to deliver the product in the market as per the customer need or end user need. If we are not delivering the product within the market as per the requirements, it will impact on the brand value of the product, and ultimately it will uh, impact on the company organizational goal. So uh, the delivery of goods in efficient manner is a very very important aspect. Now we'll see the objective of supply chain. Attain competitive advantage, be ensuring product availability of the right time and place. As we see in the logistic is only uh, dealing with the deliveries, but supply chain has to do the entire planning, like first of all, if they need to manufacture the product, first of all they should discuss with the suppliers. They should negotiate the prices and procure the raw material, packaging material for the manufacturing. Okay, after that they should ensure the planning. uh, in the planning, they have to do the machine planning, manpower planning, and other uh, aspect planning. Everything they should ensure. Then after planning, they will manufacture the product, and they will complete the quality assurance and quality control checks, and they will transfer the product to warehouses. After transferring the product in the warehouses, the product will go to the market. And with this entire flow, suppose if we are managing the entire flow within the stipulated time, we can achieve the organizational goal, and we can deliver the product in the market within the stipulated timeline and as per the customer requirement. Now we will see the focus of logistic. Concentrates on day-to-day operation tasks such as transportation, inventory management. As we said in the previous section as well, logistic is responsible for the deliveries of material, then storage of the final product. Everything comes under the logistic. Means it's a day-to-day activity. Means the manufacturers are manufacturing the product, and they are transferring to warehouses, and warehouses should get the orders from the marketing or sale department. According to the that sale orders, they should deliver the product to distributors. It is their day-to-day activity. Now we will see the focus of supply chain. Prioritize strategic planning and collaboration among partners. Strategic planning is the one of the important aspect in the supply chain. So if we are failing the strategic planning, then we will fail to manufacture the product as per the customer requirement and within a stipulated timeline. So strategic planning is important. Now, what is the strategic planning? First of all, we have to do forecasting. According to forecasting, we have to procure the material. After procurement of material, we have to plan the product for manufacturing as per the available slots. Then after that, we have to do the quality assurance, quality control checks, and after that, that product will be transferred to warehouses. It is the strategic planning. This entire process is called as strategic planning. Now we will see the collaboration among the partners. What is the collaboration? Collaboration means it's a nothing but a coordination. Means, as we said in the previous section of supply chain is dealing with suppliers. Suppose they are collaborating with the suppliers. Means what they have to do, they have to ensure the required quantity is available with the supplier. The rates are okay to and it is fitting in our requirement, and they are delivering the product within time. After that, they have to collaborate with internal stakeholders like a manufacturing department, technical department, or operation department. They have to coordinate with them. Their that skilled staff should be there, machines should be available, and product should not overlap. This is the one kind of planning so that they can produce a product as per the requirements. Now we'll see the activities of logistic involve freight transportation, warehouse, material handling, and order fulfillment. Actually, this freight transportation means it's nothing. It's a not a separate section. It's a small part of the logistic department. Means they have to negotiate with transporters for the vehicles arrangement and for delivering the product with the end customer or distributors. Okay, this is the part of logistic, and here they can. Do some cost saving with proper negotiations and proper discussions with the freight forwarders. Warehousing, material handling, and order fulfillment. Warehousing. Warehousing means they should make the proper arrangement of the product in the warehouses. Means they should maintain the charts for the easily tracing of the material. They should maintain the accessories which help to load the material in the transport vehicles within the stipulated time. Then also they have to focus on the orders, means they should do proper coordination with the marketing and distributors so that they can deliver the product within the stipulated time. Now we'll see the activities of supply chain include demand forecasting, procurement, production, distribution, and customer services. This is demand forecasting. Forecasting means what is? It's a discussion between the production planning and sale department. What will happen here? Sale department will the forecast the requirement for this coming financial year on the basis of historical trend or whatever the orders in their hand, and according to that forecasting, then production planning person will plan the procurement of material and planning of production. Everything they will plan. Procurement. Procurement, it's totally depend on the forecasting of the marketing on the their requirement. Then production, distribution, and customer services. Production, after planning, production will come. If they are planning. After planning material procurement, and after that they will plan the production, and finally they will, after production they will do quality assurance and quality control test, and the product will be transferred to warehouse, and after that warehouse will coordinate with the distributors for proper distribution in the entire life cycle of the product. Okay, and customer services means there are many things are coming here. Here we have to consider the customer feedback. Suppose if any suggestion is coming from the customer for improvement of the product, and also if any market complaint, if is any post surveillance is needed, everything is coming in the customer services. Value creation improves delivery speed, reliability, and cost effectiveness. We have seen in previous sections, if we are planning the proper logistics cycle, we can achieve the delivery speed, reliability, and cost effectiveness. Now we'll see the value of supply chain: enhance efficiency, reduce cost, and ensure product availability. If we are doing the proper strategic planning and collaboration, then we can achieve these goals like efficiency, reduce cost, ensure product availability. Strategy. The strategy of logistic incorporates strategies like route optimization, inventory control, and operational efficiency. Now, strategies of supply chain focuses on long-term planning, continuous improvement initiative, and overall optimization. As we seen in the previous sections, the supply chain is taking care of all the sections which comes under supply chain, like planning, logistic, procurement. So every section is having their own constraints, and in this supply chain entire cycle they should work on the constraints, so that what will happen, those constraints will not impact the productivity and product availability in future. So this is the very important and crucial stage in the supply chain. Challenges: adapting to dynamic customer demand and external factor influencing delivery schedule. These are the some challenges in the logistics, but these challenges we can uh, reduce, or we can remove from this entire cycle with proper planning. Of course, we will face some challenges, but definitely, if we are doing a proper logistic plan, we can overcome these challenges. Now we will see the challenges of supply chain. Managing complexities of global supply network, diverse process, and partners. As you said, supply chain should deal with external as well as internal stakeholders. Means they have to deal with many different companies, different people. So it is a complex process and it is quite difficult to manage. But there are many softwares are there, there are many agreements are there are many consultants available for these processes, so we can easily overcome these challenges. Okay friends, next time we will come with new topic. Thank you very much.